Good morning, all of you. Hope you all are fine, beta. Let's do worksheet number 4, part B. Okay. Rewrite the following clues and complete the sentences using the words given in the brackets. One example has been done. I believe you should succeed that. Okay. I believe that you should succeed. आपको बच्चा जो ब्रैकेट्स में दिए हुए हैं उनको कहीं ना कहीं फिक्स करके मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बनाना है. ओके. He will lose the college election certain that. He will lose the college election, that is certain. है ना? Next one is she says her uncle is unwell. She says that her uncle is unwell. Law should punish is guilty whosoever. Law should punish whosoever is guilty. I don't know I shall return. I don't know when I shall return. He left the college is a mystery. Why he left the college is a mystery. बेटा यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क कर दीजिएगा. Okay. We can reach on time is uncertain. Whether we can reach on time is uncertain. Tell me you hurt others. Tell me why you hurt others. Full stop. I surprised to hear their team had won the tournament was. I was surprised to hear that their team had won the tournament. Owns this house must be rich. Whoever owns this house must be rich. Beta, in your book, I and J are opposite. J part is I and I is 10th one. Worksheet number 5 now. Identify the main clause and the subordinate clause in the sentences given below. Sumit makes friends wherever he goes. Sumit makes friends. But this sentence makes a complete sense by itself. So it is a main clause. Wherever he goes is the subordinate clause. Now, he slept early so that he could wake up early the next morning. He slept early tells the full meaning. It is the main clause. So that he could wake up early the next morning is the subordinate clause. Now, if it rains, we shall go out to enjoy ourselves. Main clause is we shall go out to enjoy ourselves is the main clause. And if it rains, it's a condition. Next further addition to the sentence, then it is a subordinate clause. Talk to him whenever it is convenient to you. Talk to him tells you the main thing. So it is the main clause, and whenever it is convenient to you is the subordinate clause. Beta. Clean your room before you go to sleep. Clean your room. This is an instruction also. This tells you the complete meaning that you have to clean the room. And before you go to sleep gives you a further addition to the meaning. Then it is subordinate clause. Wait till the light turns green. Wait, रुक जाओ, है ना? Wait. It tells you the complete thing. Till the light turns green, that is subordinate clause. He will surely help me because he's my friend. Beta, he will surely help me. It's a main clause because he's my friend. क्योंकि वो मेरा दोस्त है, it gives further meaning, further addition to the sentence. So it is a subordinate clause. Now, unless you work hard, you won't fare well. You won't fare well. Tells you the complete thing. It is the main clause. Unless you work hard, subordinate clause. I would not buy it even it were for free. I would not buy it. मैं किसी भी कॉस्ट पे खरीदूंगा नहीं इसे. It tells you the complete thing. Even if it were for free, it is a subordinate clause. He visited the house while I was away. He visited the house tells you the complete thing. While I was away is a subordinate clause. Now complete the following sentences by adding suitable subordinate clause. बेटा subordinate clause को आपने add करना है. Here I am telling you what can be there, है ना? But you can write further things also. Put this table near the window at its suitable place. Under the roof. कुछ भी आ सकता है यहाँ पे ना. I shall meet you in the garden. I shall meet you whenever you are free. I shall meet you at your house. कुछ भी आ सकता है यहाँ पे. It was dark as there was no electricity. It was dark as the weather was stormy. Okay. Now next one is think before you speak. आपको बहुत सोच समझ के बोलना चाहिए. It's a proverb also. They arrived very late. बहुत लेट आए थे वो. Before I reached the home. They arrived soon भी कर सकते हैं आप. Okay. I will take the message if it is urgent. I will take the message and deliver it to so whosoever is concerned है ना जिसके लिए ये मैसेज है. I will take the message and deliver it to him. ये भी कर सकते हैं आप. Now dash I gave the letter to his mother. As he was not at home, so I gave the letter to his mother. Okay. She walked into the room quietly as all were sleeping, as others were sleeping, as they were watching a movie. Okay, as they were doing meditation. आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Now worksheet number 6 beta. Read the following sentences about Kalpana Chawla, the girl who lost her life while returning to the earth after her journey into the space. Identify the main clause and the subordinate clauses. Remember that one complex sentence may contain more than one subordinate clause. One example has been given to help you. बेटा मैंने आपको बताया था कि मेन क्लॉज आपको कहीं पे भी लोकेट कर सकते हैं आप सेंटेंस में. ज़रूरी नहीं वो बिगनिंग में हो या एंड में हो. इट कैन बी स्प्लिटेड इनटू पार्ट्स ऑल्सो. ठीक है. और सब कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में मोर देन सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉज मोर देन वन या टू भी हो सकते हैं. Now, it was characteristics of her that she chose the later. It was characteristics of her कि उसकी कोई अच्छी quality बता रहा है. This is the main clause. That she chose the later is the subordinate clause. Now, as she reached her 8th grade, Kalpana first gave vent to her resolve. Gave vent होता है बेटा जो भी उसका resolve था, resolution था, उस पर उसने workout करना शुरू कर दिया. So this is the subordinate main clause. Kalpana first gave vent to her resolve. As she reached her 8th grade, this is the subordinate clause. When she proclaimed, subordinate clause, that engineering was going to be her vocation, subordinate clause. As you can see this beta, this topic beta rarely comes in exam, very rare, but we have to do as it is in the syllabus. So now I think you are able to locate where it is the main clause and where it is the subordinate clause. In the ninth class you will have detailed description of clauses, but it is in 8th class it is just the introduction. Kalpana believed, it is the main clause, that her vocation would be flight engineering. This is the subordinate clause. Now, after she started topping her class, her batchmates noticed that she had started getting very organized. Her batchmates noticed, this is the main clause, after she started topping her class, subordinate clause, that she has started getting very organized, subordinate clause. Now, while she was heading towards the conclusion of her graduation degree, Kalpana had already begun to travel American University. Kalpana had already begun to travel American University. This is the main clause. While she was heading towards the conclusion of her graduation degree, it is the subordinate clause. Now, Kalpana zeroed in on UTA because she was convinced that it had good research opportunities. Kalpana zeroed in on UTA. This is the main clause because she was convinced, subordinate clause, that it had good research opportunities. This is again the subordinate clause. Now, though she was angry at the initial rejection, she kept her entreaties to the family as time started closing in on her admission date. Okay, she kept up her entreaties to the family. This is the main clause. Though she was angry at the initial rejection, this is the subordinate clause. As time started closing on her admission date, this is the subordinate clause. Now, it is something that you would want to do. It is something कुछ है, that is this is the main clause, and subordinate that you would want to do, it is the subordinate clause. Now come to better do it yourself. Identify the main underlying main clause in the sentences given below. If you are patient, you may be able to watch a cricket chirping. You may be able to watch a cricket chirping. This is the yes beta, this is the main clause in the sentence. It is if it is dark outside, carry a torch. Carry a torch is again Main clause. Listen carefully so that you know where to look. Listen carefully tells you the entire thing. So it is the main clause over here. You are underlining what main clause is. While the cricket is chirping, walk slowly towards him. Okay, walk slowly towards him. This is the main clause. It will be a male because only a full grown male cricket can chirp. It will be a male. This is the main clause. Stop when he stops chirping. Stop itself tells you that the action you are not supposed to move. Move closer. Move move closer when he begins. Move closer when he begins. Move closer is the main clause. Okay, beta. Let me do the one more time. You. This is again. Carry a torch. Listen carefully. Walk slowly while the chirping. Walk slowly towards him. It will be a meal. Stop. After several stops, you may be able to you may be able to get close enough to see him. After several stops, you may be able to. But over here, you have to start write this. You may be. You may be able to get close to see him. This is what main clause. I hope you are clear with this. Now combine the following sentences using the conjunction given in the brackets. But the next topics are construction only. We are going to do very soon. The monsoons failed miserably. Most of the states were hit by a severe drought. Most of the states were hit by a severe drought because the monsoons failed miserably. आपको बेटा ये पहले ही आपको आइडिया हो रहा है कि लिंकर्स में क्या है. As हो गया, दो हो गया, although हो गया, whether हो गया, ये सब क्या है, लिंकर्स है. And you have to combine and to make a meaningful sentence. I went to a Gujarati restaurant. My friend had suggested it. I went to a Gujarati restaurant which my friend had suggested it. Which my friend had suggested. आप यहाँ पे it नहीं लगाएंगे, okay? He read my letter. He called me up after. He called me up after he read my letter. यानी कि मेरे लेटर पढ़ने के बाद में उसने मुझे कॉल किया. I like the book much. I bought a personal copy. I like the book so. बेटा देखो आपको यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है so और that में, है ना, आपको डॉट्स दिए हुए हैं. इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये इकट्ठा यूज़ नहीं हो ना. so that, so कहीं पे भी पहले यूज़ होगा, that बाद में ही होगा. I like the book so much that I bought a personal copy. Ritika is intelligent. We know that. We know that Ritika is intelligent. Where do you live? Tell me. Tell me, where do you live? It's a question mark. Better in the next last one, supply a suitable main clause for the following subordinate clause. जैसे हमने subordinate clause को पहले क्या किया था, main clause दिया होता, हमें subordinate enter करना था, है ना. We have to write subordinate. Now subordinate clause is given to us and we are supposed to write main clause. Okay, blank while it is sunny, यानी कि अब सूरज निकला हुआ है. मेक हेस्ट, जल्दी करो, क्योंकि सूरज ढलने वाला है, या सूरज के होते होते हमें जल्दी काम कर लेना चाहिए. डोंट प्ले आउटसाइड वाइल इट इज़ सनी. इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है कि बाहर बहुत धूप है तो आप बाहर मत खेलो. डैश हु लिव इन ग्लास हाउसेज. दोज हु लिव इन ग्लास हाउसेज शुड नॉट थ्रो स्टोन्स ऑन अदर्स. कहते हैं कि जो औरों कांच के घरों में रहते हैं वो औरों पे पत्थर नहीं फेंकते हैं, क्योंकि आपका पहला घर खुद का टूटेगा अगर आप ऐसा करेंगे. तो हो सकता है एक पत्थर आपका लग जाए आपके घर पे. नाउ डैश वेयर शी हैड केप्ट हर पर्स. आई डोंट नो वेयर शी हैड केप्ट हर पर्स. इसका कुछ और बन सकता है तो आप बना सकते हैं बेटा. और dash that I certainly needed. Thank you for the tea that I certainly needed. मुझे सब चाय की बहुत ज़रूरत थी. और कई बार आपको होता है ना, थैंक यू फॉर द गिफ्ट दैट आई सर्टनली नीडेड. आप ये भी कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि जब आपको कभी कोई चीज़ की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है तो आप थैंक यू करते हैं उस चीज़ के लिए. Why he left that job. It is a mystery why he left that job. या फिर I don't know why he left the job. आप इसके अलावा भी बेटा मेन क्लॉज ऐड कर सकते हैं अपनी मर्जी से. dash how it happened. I don't know how it happened. It's a miracle. नहीं, हम ये नहीं कर सकते. I don't know how it happened. बेटा अगर आपको इसके अलावा कोई भी suitable main clause लगता हो जो कि sense बनाता हो, you can write that. With this we are over with clauses. Beta linkers conjunctions हमने we did in 7th class also, so please go through them. It's a very short per topic, and in my next class I'll be discussing linkers, and very soon and further we'll be discussing exercise. Please solve chapter number 6 as homework of practice book, okay, as well as chapter number 5 of reader, that is sports and games. I hope you are clear with this. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.